Hello friends, in this video lecture we are going to see about convolutional neural networks. What is convolutional neural network? Convolutional neural network is a deep learning algorithm that takes the image as an input, assigns various weights and biases to various parts of the image such that they are differentiable from each other. Once they become differentiable using various activation functions, the convolutional neural network model can perform several tasks in the image processing domain, including image recognition, image classification, object and face detection, etc. Here in convolutional neural networks, the input is given as the image in the form of the matrix. What is the basic of the convolutional neural network model? Image is the input. The image is the labeled one. It can be labeled such as cat, dog, lion, or it can also be unlabeled in case of unsupervised learning. Depending upon this, we can use the supervised learning or unsupervised learning algorithm. If the images are labeled, we can use the supervised learning algorithm, and if the images are unlabeled, then we can use the unsupervised learning algorithm. We have seen that the input is given as the image in convolutional neural network. So the input image is given in the form of the matrix. To the computer machine, the input image is seen as the array of pixels, more often in the form of the matrix. Images are mostly of the form where height, weight and dimensions are there. For example, an image of size 16 into 16 into 3 matrix denotes RGB, red, green, blue image. 3 stands for the RGB values. 3-dimensional basically, 3 means. On the other hand, 14 into 14 into 1 matrix array represents grayscale image because that 1 represents the single dimension. So it has white and black values only. Now we will see the convolutional neural network architecture. So here in this architecture, the input we can see it is given as the image, and then the input image is convoluted with the another standard image which is called as the kernel, and then there is a pooling process, after which finally there is the classification process will occur. So what are the layers of CNN? CNN model consists of several layers through which the input images undergo pre-processing to get the output. Basically, these layers are differentiated into two parts. First 3 layers includes input layer, convolutional layer and the pooling layer, as we saw in the previous slide, which acts as the feature extraction tool to derive the base level features from images fed into the model. Okay, the finally fully connected layer and the output layer makes use of this output of the feature extraction layers and predicts the class of the image depending upon the features extracted. The first layer, as we saw in the previous slide, the input layer where the image is fed into the CNN model in the form of an array, that is 32 into 32 into 3, where 3 represents the 3 dimension or RGB image with equal height and weight of 32 is height, and 30 another 32 is width of the pixels. Then these input images pass through the convolutional layer, and where the mathematical operation of convolution is performed. Right. So in the next video we will see about the convolutional process. Thank you.